from Miha Hope Wellness Institute. Today I'm going to teach you to make a very simple salad. So first I'm going to show it to you. This is how it looks. And it's delicious, okay? I went ahead and I made it without you, so I apologize for that. So I just want to show you what I put in this salad. Very simple, okay? So you can use 1 or 2 cups of arugula. I buy most of my items at Trader Joe. It's the organic arugula. Then I use 1 Persian cucumber. Wash it and cut it small. This is how they look, also from Trader Joe. I use cilantro. So I get a bunch of cilantro. I just buy how much I want. The cilantro is very good also for metal detox in your body. So I use it every day actually. And usually it's best to buy organic. This one is not organic. So chop it, use it there. I also use the mini peppers from Trader Joe. These are organic and I love them. They're so delicious. They're much better in taste than the big ones. Like they have a certain flavor. I usually use a red one, a yellow one, and an orange one. Just wash it and chop it small. Let's see what else we use. I use half an avocado for my salad. If you're watching your calories or you don't want to do something like, because I know avocado can have more calories or you're concerned about the amount of fat, you can use a quarter. But this is healthy fat, so if you don't watch your calories, I advise you eat half of it. It's so good for you. Okay, and the other thing I use, today I felt like eating meat. I rarely eat meat. I don't do it too often because, I don't know, it's for health reasons, but I also like I feel better when I'm mostly plant-based. So I really like these organic Anchor turkey hot dogs. They have no antibiotics. So these are really good. Usually they're very light and nice, like they don't feel very heavy. It's just 70 grams for 1 dog and like 3.5 grams of fat, and one has 7 grams of protein. So yeah, I don't have my glasses. Okay, and then the other thing, I made a dressing, partially homemade, partially with something bought at the store. So this is the dressing I made, and I'm gonna show you what I put in it. So for this one, you can use Dijon mustard. I use like almost a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I also took a lime, half a lime, I squeezed just the juice, put some salt and pepper, and for me, I just use 1 tablespoon of vegan Caesar dressing from Trader Joe, but you can also use 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just watch your calories. You know, like this is one thing I learned when I used to eat a lot of fats. Like you don't realize like how much that fat adds up. So just 1 tablespoon of olive oil has 120 grams of calories, right? And if we do like already some fat in the meat, some fat in the avocado, like I personally don't need another extra tablespoon of olive oil. It will be even too heavy for my stomach, okay? So then just mix those and that's it. Put the dressing on the salad, mix it and eat it, okay? Again, this is how it looks. It's delicious, it's very filling because of the protein from the turkey and also the fat from the avocado. And the veggies are great for you, antioxidants, phytonutrients. They're so healthy for fiber, and they fight the free radicals in your body, keeps you really healthy. Eat as many veggies as you can. Okay, that's it for tonight. If you feel like that's not enough, add 1 piece of bread. Sometimes I eat a piece of Ezekiel bread with that, or I just listen to my body. Maybe sometimes I need some pita bread or whatever I need, I give to my body. I mostly listen to my body, okay? But today I don't eat because I just ate few fruits already, and so I feel like I had enough carbs, I had enough sweets already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this salad. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Miha Hope Wellness Institute. I will do my best to post every week new recipes. Okay.